let's pack my hospital bag. So the bag is from Target, and it's called the Weekender bag. The brand is A New Day. It's super spacious. This is my going home outfit. It's going to be a tracksuit from Pretty Little Thing. I'm putting it at the bottom because it'll be the last thing I need. This is my nightgown and pair of jammies, also from Target, and the brand is Stars and Stripes. I brought options because I don't know how I'll be feeling, and it's really soft and really comfortable. This is my non-slip socks. I need those. Underwear, I know they give you disposables there, but I brought 2 myself. Here's some nursing bras. The brand is Momanda, as well as Kindred Bravely. Both are super, super comfortable. Toiletry bag. I got it from my local Ross. It's a Betsy Johnson. It used to be $50 and I got it for $20. So that was like a steal. And it's so cute. I will be doing my makeup. So of course I'm packing my makeup bag, a charger, disposable camera, and then my laptop will also be going in there. I'll be putting snacks in there as well. Here's my belly binder. I'm going to put it on as soon as I give birth because mama needs her body bag. My slippers and robe are from Skims. And yeah, this is what the bag looks like with everything inside. It's really big. It's super cute and I highly recommend it.